Welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to discuss something really important. So I would definitely need your opinion too at the end, and also any feedback you have, whether positive or negative, it's welcome. So guys, I'm gonna discuss something important about financial education. Why everyone needs it nowadays, why it has to be implanted, especially in children, at a very early age, or I would say at a suitable age. At a very early won't be appropriate, but I would say at a suitable age or at a suitable time. So guys, overspending by Gen Z, lavish lifestyle which someone cannot afford, then too much spending, too much credit, ease of availability of credit, these things are there. We read about this every day. But how things are developing, is it improving in any way? Not at all. More and more Gen Z people are getting into debt traps. More and more people are applying for loans. So most of the times something they can avoid, like especially in India. It's not just in India, it's happening in other parts of the world too, but India is in focus. Especially in India, like people are taking personal loan not for any major family expense, but for what? Yes, tourism, to travel to a foreign destination so that they can click some reels and post some pictures. So it's going bad. And of course, I have discussed this in other video too, that easy availability of credit is a very important factor in this. Today, if you need a credit loan or anything, you just use some taps on your phone and it's done. Many times even without check. 2 decades back, that wasn't the case. You apply for a credit card or personal loan and see how much time it used to take and how fast the process used to move. So maybe by the time you apply, and maybe by the time your application hits the queue, you probably don't need it, or you probably change your mind. So such things do not exist anymore. Anything you need, you get right away. So that is why it's very important for parents, for schools, for teachers to implant financial education at a suitable age, because the newer generation, when they become eligible to apply credit on their own, they have their own phone, so they should know what they should apply and what they should not, and under what circumstances and how much. A small mistake, a small miscalculation, misappropriation could lead to huge financial issues and crisis. And it's not just about one person or a group of people. It's happening in bulk, and or the trend is worrisome. So we have to know that what are the financial products we need and what are the financial products we don't need, because one miscalculation could mean that everything is gone. So guys, I believe in schools, in colleges, whatever stream you select, science, arts, commerce, or anything, financial education is important, and this has to be taught in families too. Even though you probably belong to a very well-to-do family and affluent family, but still guys, regardless of the amount you have in your pocket, spending amount doesn't need time. If somebody has $100 in their pocket, that can be spent within few seconds, and somebody who has $10,000 in their pocket, that can also be spent within few seconds. So spending time has no dependency on the amount of money you have, or in simple terms, the depth of your pocket. So that is why guys, financial education is very important. We have seen millionaires, billionaires falling, right? And we have seen people from ground reaching the sky. So examples are available at both ends. My point is that down the line, in next few years, do you really think applying credit or getting such credit products would be difficult? I don't think so. Maybe they get some regulations, maybe if government want, they do something, but I think the process is gonna be simpler. There'll be apps and taps. Just app tap and then just get the credit. More options, more flexibilities, and then if you miss one, you are gone. Too much of interest, you are trapped. So it's gonna be like, I would say, app, tap, and trap. So I think this process of app, tap and trap has to be broken. So it can be broken only with proper education. Everyone should be taught about financial products, financial savings, financial aspects of all these. Then only I think something good can be achieved. Okay guys, so this is what I wanted to discuss, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. I hope you like my efforts. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.